Hello everyone, today I'm making birria tacos. I have some chuck roast beef here, some chili peppers, they're soaking in hot water, some bell peppers, onions and jalapeno all chopped up, and I'm gonna season this meat. Just put some salt, pepper, and garlic powder, also some thyme. You want to make sure you want to rub it in nicely. Turn, do the same thing. Okay, I'm going to show you the bag of chilies. What I'm using is this. So I just put them in some hot water, chop them up a little bit, and I'm going to show you how everything is going to go in the blender, and I'm going to make like a hot sauce which goes over the beef. What we're going to do, we're going to take these chuck roasts and they're going to go a little bit in a pan. And now I'm going to turn this on the other side. You just want to brown it for a minute or two on each side. Now I'm going to transfer this beef in a cooking pan. I'm going to put it all there. I'm going to add some onions. Let's mix it up a little bit. Cook for a few minutes. Okay, the onions are done. I'm gonna remove them. Bring this pot over with the meat. And now I'm gonna transfer this onion here. So we're gonna grab these chili peppers that I had soaked in the water. We're gonna put everything in this blender. Also this water goes in that they were soaking in. So I'm gonna add all these veggies that I cut up, the onions, the peppers, and the jalapenos. They all go in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. And then we're gonna turn this mixture, what I blended, on top of this meat, and then we'll add more water. You just want to make sure that you cover the meat with water. I'm also going to throw in a few bay leaves. And then we're gonna let it boil on slow for 2 to 3 hours. And then I'll show you what we do next. Okay, this has been boiling here for almost 3 hours and it looks like it's done. So I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna go ahead and shred this meat. Now I took the meat out and you want to go ahead and just shred this. I'm using a couple of forks and just go like this, take it apart. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and strain this juice, so all the seeds comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and do this with a spoon. Okay, so I shredded all the meat, and then here I have the juice that I strained. I'm gonna pour the juice on top of the meat, and we gotta let it simmer just for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna add some onions in and some cilantro. Okay, this has been simmering for the past 10 minutes, looking nice. So now I'm gonna put it on the side and I'm gonna show you how we put the tacos together. So, I grab the tortilla, and you wanna go ahead and dip it in that sauce. And then put it like this. And I'm adding some cheese. I have some fresh cheddar, shredded, so I'm gonna put all over. Then I'm adding the meat. Then some onions and cilantro. And you let it cook for a little bit. Okay, I'm going to check now. I'm gonna flip it over, press. Okay, this should be done. Put it on a plate. Now I'm gonna do a corn tortilla. So just dip it in the juice, put it there. Now I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese. Meat, red onions and cilantro. This should be done. Okay, I'm gonna do another one. Corn tortilla. Put it in. Now I'm doing the cheddar cheese. Okay, time to flip this like this. Now I'm gonna grab just the juice, put it in a bowl. And I'm gonna top it with some more fresh onions and cilantro. And I'm gonna show you how I serve my tacos. So here are the tacos, how I like to eat one. You just grab one and you wanna go ahead and dip in this juice and have a bite. And I'm gonna go for a test. They are delicious. I hope you enjoy these tacos and I'll see you next time for a new recipe. Bye bye.